Disclaimer: this is my own experience of how I make a living as a web publisher of content websites. There are a million ways to do it. Hopefully, it will inspire you to find your own. I first decide who will provide the content for the website. If it's a niche that I'm familiar with, that will be me. If it's a topic I know nothing about, I'll hire freelancers to write articles. First, I fire up Google Keyword Tool. I begin searching for keywords that thousands of people are searching every month, are relatively easy to rank for, and have high cost per click so that I can turn a profit. I make a list of those keywords and then begin searching for domain names matching those keywords. After registering the domain and its social media profiles, I hire freelancers to write 5 articles tailored to that specific domain, based on the most popular keywords closely matching the name. Otherwise, I'm writing them myself. I publish the articles and I wait. I wait a bit longer. More waiting. And the traffic begins to show up. Next, I insert a couple of Google ads. And then I wait. Again. By the time I get lucky and the website gets 1,000 visitors per day, I need new content on a weekly basis. Advertisers then come knocking on my door and tell me, "We want to buy your traffic," which means they want to run their advertisement site-wide. I then run an A/B testing, which means half visitors will see my Google ads and the other half the new ads. Next, I enter negotiations and eventually make a deal. Then it's a matter of managing the content and keeping the website running, which should take less than 4 hours per week. Stay safe.